top 7 ways to develop your communication skills. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you super easy and practical ways that you can instantly apply so that you can develop amazing communication skill, and that too effortlessly. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication specialist. If you're new to the channel, then I talk about business communication, success, mindset, living your best possible life. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. All right, first hack to develop super amazing communication skill is be comfortable with yourself. Why do I say that? You know what? Communication is like an iceberg, okay? What you see is just 1/3, but what you do not see is a bigger part. So if you're somebody who's not really comfortable with your own self, if you're not really, you have not accepted your own self, if you have not embraced who you are, then you know what? All this is going to reflect in the way you talk. You're going to hesitate, you will not be able to express yourself clearly, you will not be able to communicate to people because what's inside is outside. Okay, so my mentor used to say this: your outer world is the reflection of your inner world. So here the key is that you embrace yourself, accept yourself. See, nobody is perfect and we all are humans. We are on the journey. We are going to grow every single day. So if your today is better than yesterday, then you're growing. Focus on the growth, focus on the progress. Do not compare yourself. You are unique on this beautiful journey of life. And how you can do that? Just say affirmation. You know what is an affirmation? Affirmation is a positive statement that you say for yourself. So just say that I'm powerful, I am awesome, I accept myself completely, I embrace myself, I love who I am. When you say these things to yourself on daily mode, repeat mode, you know what? You are going to you're going to feel amazing. And when you're going to feel amazing, the way you speak to people is going to change beautifully. Okay. Secret number 2. Progress over perfection. Now, one of the things that I'll tell you, one of the mistakes that people do is they are trying to chase perfection. Now tell me, do you really need to be perfect? No, perfection is a myth. Even I am not perfect, although I am a coach, communication coach, but even I am not perfect. And the biggest blunder even I did is, on my journey, I used to compare myself to my mentors. Now it has taken them years to be where they are and I had just started. So that comparison was not valid. I also get a lot of messages, from people when they want to be part of my communication program. They often say to me that Neha, you are really very good in communicating and I am not like that. I said, you don't have to be like me. You just have to be your better version. Okay. So please do not focus on perfection. You are wherever you are, you have to focus on progress. If you're today, every day, if you're growing, if you are getting better, that is all that matters in order for you to have amazing communication skills. Secret number 3, know your style. Now, know your style is like what kind of communicator you are. Okay, are you somebody who would love to speak on audio because you may not like to show your face, or you are somebody who would love camera like me, right? Or you are somebody who would like to write. So what is your personality type? Is it audio, it is video, or it is written? What is your strength? Just know. And how do you know what is my strength? Something that comes very naturally to you and something that you're very at ease around. Okay, so for me, you start the camera and I'm all in. Okay, so it comes very naturally to me. At the same time, as of now, I'm not very comfortable with audio. At the same time, I also like writing. So you may have your own style. Some are really good with video, some are really good with audio, some are really good with written. So what is your strength? Whatever is your strength, just pick that and start strengthening that strength. So this is called you play with your strength. Okay, so which is your strength? Is it audio, it is video, or it is written? Share your answers in the comment box. Secret number 4, have formats for anything. Okay, so in my inner circle or in my communication program, the best thing that I do is I give people a format. Now what is a format? It is a way, it is a structure of doing particular thing. How did I start this video? I said that what this video is all about, then I shared about me, and then I'm sharing some 7 pointers, right? So it is a structured video. I'm not just going anywhere, I'm not doing anything. So communication, if you really want to be a good communicator, you need to have that formats in place. Okay, like in my inner circle, all those who join, they get ready to use formats on how they can take effective meeting, how they can communicate to difficult clients, how they should say no, how they should do a small talk, what are the questions they should ask, what are the questions they should not ask, how they can have a conversation, how they have to speak in front of audience. So there are ready formats, and if you follow those formats, you are going to become super awesome and extraordinary communicator. If you would love to have these formats from me, then I would like to invite you for my live workshop, wherein I'm going to share 2 hours. I'm going to help you develop this skill with ease. Okay, so do register for that workshop. Next secret is modeling. Now, what is modeling? So modeling is one of the beautiful terms that I learned when I was doing my NLP, and modeling means just follow what is working. Okay, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to just go on 100 videos and see what I should do, what I should not do. No, just see what any successful communicator is doing, right? Like I said, they use always the format. They won't directly start. And that's what, when I went on my learning journey, went to 12 different back-to-back programs from my mentors, you know what they taught me? They taught me what's really working. So I don't have to reinvent the wheel. I don't have to try too hard. No, I'll go to a person who is doing really good in that field. I'll hire an expert, and whatever that expert says, I'm going to model that. Okay, and I'm going to give my own style to that. Okay, so this is the best way. I mean, you can achieve what people do not achieve even in years. You can achieve in 1 year by using this concept, which is called modeling. The secret is one size fit approach doesn't work. Okay, now what do I mean by that? See, a very good communicator, you know, you have to understand that your communication style will differ. If you're speaking to a client, it will be different. If you're speaking to a large audience, it will be different. If you're sharing about your product and services, it will be different. If you are just connecting to higher authorities, it would be different. Okay, so one size fit approach doesn't work. I've seen people, I mean, they do not change their approach. How they're speaking, they will be same in front of everyone. No, you have to change. The way you talk to client will be very different than the way you talk to your team member. The way you take meeting will be very different than the way you present your point. So there are different ways in which you communicate. The way you talk to a spouse is very different than the way you talk to your client. So you must know this, that I cannot have same approach for all of my relationships. I need to have different approach for them. For client, it will be more of a formal, it will be more of a giving them value. With a spouse, it will be more of a kind and a loving kind of relationship that you have. So you're going to have that kind of communication. With presenting in front of large group of people, then you should know how you have to grab the attention of audience, and you have to give value in a way that people would love listening to. Just check out the videos of some of the amazing TED speakers, how they are talking for the public speaking. And the last secret that I want to give you is called just record a video. Okay, so if you're somebody who is a video person, then I would like you to record your video every day and talk on something that you really love to talk about. It can be nature, it can be camera, it can be photography, very simple topics, right? Something that you're passionate about, maybe food, maybe a city, anything. Pick your camera, start talking to it, and just see yourself, and every day shoot one video for next 30 days. Okay, keep improving, and in the 30 days you will see, oh my god, you know, you will be able to see your face expressions, you will be able to see how is your camera presence, you will be able to see what you have to say, what you do not have to say. You are going to drastically improve your communication skills just by doing this one activity every single day. Take out your phone, put it on a selfie mode, start speaking. That's it. Do not overthink. If you're going to think, you're going to keep thinking for the rest of your life, okay? But if you're going to just do it, and then keep improving it. Right? So I hope, guys, that this video was helpful. If yes, then please hit the thumbs up so that it reaches to maximum people, and do join my upcoming live workshop, wherein I'm going to share with you communication hacks that are going to change your life. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.